Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cabbage egg rolls from scratch. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of shredded cabbage, 1/2 pound of ground pork or chicken, and 1 cup of shredded carrots. Don't forget 1 package of egg roll wrappers, plus soy sauce, fresh ginger, and garlic for that authentic flavor. Fresh ingredients are key to a truly satisfying egg roll experience. Now, let's create our flavorful filling. Begin by cooking your ground meat in a large skillet over medium heat until it's completely browned and crumbled. Drain any excess fat. Next, add the finely shredded cabbage and carrots to the pan, cooking them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are slightly tender crisp. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1 clove of minced garlic to infuse rich flavors. Mastering the roll is crucial for perfect egg rolls. Lay a wrapper flat, like a diamond. Place about 2 tablespoons of filling just below the center. Fold the bottom corner over the filling, then fold in the 2 side corners, ensuring a snug fit. Roll the wrapper upwards firmly towards the top corner. Use a dab of water or egg wash on the top corner to seal it securely, preventing any filling from escaping during cooking. For that irresistible crispy perfection, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place 2 or 3 egg rolls into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot, which can lower the oil temperature. Fry each egg roll for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Remove them and drain on a wire rack or paper towels. Serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.